Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas and are looking forward to the new year. One of the reasons we are looking forward to this new year is this particular movie, You Are Ratna, starring the one and only Puneet Rajkumar, along with several other Kannada movies as well. I have made a different video on the top 5 upcoming Kannada movies of 2021, so definitely check that out if you have not already. If you have checked that out, share the video, subscribe to my channel, do everything you need to do to stay up to date here. I have already reacted to the first song of You Are Ratna, which is Power of Youth. Again, if you haven't checked that out, definitely do go and watch that reaction. Today we are going to do the reaction to the second song, which is the romantic song between Puneet Rajkumar and Saisha. It is called Nina De Na. It is, I believe, Arman Malik, who's the Bollywood singer, has sung the song along with Shreya Ghoshal. So I'm looking forward to it. I didn't know and didn't expect Arman Malik to sing in other languages because, he's a young upcoming Bollywood singer. But let's go and check this out and then we shall speak more about everything. Here we go with the song. Big expectations from Tamones.
ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಥೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಲು ಜೀವಿಸಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಥೆ ಬೇರೊಂದು ಲೋಕ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇದರ ಸೂಚನೆ
Very soothing song here.
ಎತ್ತರೂನು ನಿನ್ನದೊಂದೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬರೀಗ ನಾನೆನ್ನು ನಿನಗರ್ಪಣೆ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಜೀವನ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಜೀವನ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ
Definitely an out and out romantic song with the romantic costumes, locations.
ಜೊತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಥೆ ಬೇರೊಂದು ಲೋಕ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದೆ
Oh, there we have the making. Oh, oh. Also looking forward to both of them dance as I've mentioned previously together. Hopefully there's a good dance number for both of them as they are both dancers.
ನೀನು ದೂರ ನಾನು ದೂರ ಆದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲೇ ತಿರುಗುವ ಭುವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವೆ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಎದೆಯ ಬಡಿತ ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡುವಾಗ ವಿಪರೀತ ವೇಗ ಒಂಟಿತನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೆ ತಾನೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಿಹಿಯಾದ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಈಗ ಉಕ್ಕಿ ಬರುವ ಕರೆಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆರಳೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ತಾಕದಂತೆ ನಿನ ಕಣ್ಣೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಾವಲು ನೀನಾದೇನಾ ನೀನಾದೇನಾ
It's a very nice song for a long drive on a Sunday afternoon, Very soothing, peaceful, take a break from your stressful life. Apu doesn't stop jumping even in romantic songs. Uh-oh. Definitely a very successful romantic song. I think the last time I heard such a good romantic song, I don't keep up with it, but the last time I heard was Savutil Away from Koti Bardu.
ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಜೀವನ
actually like this pairing because they're both dancers and energetic and acrobatic and everything, and so it makes a lot of sense for them to be a couple and a fun couple for that. So that was a song. It was obviously very good, as I kept saying in the throughout the thing. The one thing I was saying was, it's good to see two dancers to, equally, because I don't think Apu has ever been paired. And again, I don't follow each and every of his movie, and I don't know each and every actress right now, but I don't think he's been paired with someone who's equally a good, dancer, who's known for dance and who's known for, fitness, acrobats, things like that. And to have both of them as a pairing is very good choice, and it's also, a good opportunity to have a different kind of couple on screen that are both sort of, lively, energetic, fun with each other. And so you can see that chemistry in here, in this particular, the imagery also, not just the making videos, but even in the imagery, that they're both having fun, they're both dancing because they dance, that's what they do, and it makes it more natural and fun to watch. As I was saying, this is a very good romantic number, absolutely on point. It has a national feel to it because it's not very local in terms of the sound. It's not, the language barrier doesn't exist. There are many songs that, as I said, I've not kept up with, maybe because it doesn't connect directly. The last romantic song that I connected with or I liked was Salutillave from Kotigo Batu, which was ages ago. And I've not kept up with other songs. Maybe there have been good ones, but this one definitely stands out since then, so that's huge. And I think this is, they're definitely getting all the check boxes right here. Release the right songs, get the audience interested in the music of the film for such a film, and then slow and steadily get the audiences oriented to the teasers, the trailers, the concept, and then everyone's just going in 2021 to watch this movie with the absolute 100% entertainment from every department. So really excited for this movie as always. Again, check out my other recent Kannada videos if you have missed it, and definitely subscribe, and waiting to watch much more from Yuva Ratna. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching for much more.